So another thing I bought, I got rid of all my computer repair stuff, and most of my tools end up used for other things, and used a screwdriver to screw back on a toilet seat. You don't really want to use it to build your computer. And iFixit kit. How else you gonna build a computer? You can't even open a box. Alright, nice. Ooh, see-through, fancy. Use the box as your platform to build. Aesthetics are not really my cup of tea when it comes to this kind of stuff. I will probably be doing what you're pretty much not supposed to do, which is put everything together, put it in the case, and then go, crap, and then take it all out and do it again. Intel Optane. These are two 32 gigabyte M.2 drives. I think that's everything to start with. Alright.